number on the bitch in a second. Yeah. Not about money, then leave me a message.
Mom, guess what, Mom? Guess what, Mom?
She want me.
No, she don't, bro.
Bro, she want me.
Why she want you, bro?
Because I'm mad cute, bro. Look at me, bro.
Right. No, that Einstein, actually, the Einstein shirt might be.
You already know.
That might be Riz. He's in this one right here. He's in a. I don't hope like that. I'm not even gonna hold you. I don't hope like that.
He's not open.
I do not hoop, bro. I actually have no badges, nothing.
He hits him with the. Oh my God, bro! I made him fall.
Good job. Good job.
Where's the song?
Oh, it's dreamy and I want you.
Treat me like white teeth, don't get me dirty. Love on me, love on me. I just gotta do, double up with me. If you fuck with me.
Yo. Yeah. Oh shit. Hello. Bro, I told you make the 25 million or nothing, bro. Like, if you're not doing 25 million, then it's not worth my time. I wonder if they're scared. Oh my God, they think it's a fucking... They think it's moms, bro. I'm not moms, bro. Bro, they've been shitting out the wazoo, John. Bro, they just peek out the little nest and just go... Yo. I knew some crazy shit was going on, bro. I knew some crazy shit was going on. You know what I'm saying? It was got tailed in the fucking cut. Nice jersey, by the way. Oh.
Sure, you know that.
It actually fits you. Oh, and I forgot to Ebro one. Oh my God.
So,
you know what I'm saying?
I got dumps, bro.
Oh, that's tough. That's tough.
So what we're gonna do is put a little mustache. Cause
Okay.
a little mustache ain't hurt nobody. You know what I'm saying? I could be mad violent, but like I still love her.
We do not care.
Little mustache ain't never hurt nobody.
Hold on, let's go outside, bro. And that fucking natural lighting type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm really ready, bro. Ready. Type shit. I got the.
Yeah, but what you know about the?
Type shit. Ready for a backflip, bro? Ready? Look at this. Look at this. You thought about it. You thought. Alright, bro. I'm buying this book right now, bro. Add to cart. Go to cart. Check out. It's only 20 beans. I thought Drake was about to text like 100 some. I don't fucking. I'm buying it on the phone. I'm buying it on the phone, bro. I don't know why it's being so extra, bro. I went through. Yo!
Gerald.
Oh my God, is that Jerry? Oh my God, Terry and Jerry. Terry and Jerry is scary. Fucking ambition and military. Fucking admit when necessary. Let's go, gang. Oh my God, you smell good. We gotta go pick up Elijah.
Y'all niggas in y'all niggas on drip. Yeah, I'm just testing it. Oh, y'all in here?
Hold on, bro. How you looking, bro? How you coming, bro? How you coming, bro? How you coming, broski? Oh my God, what you got on? What you got on? Start with the bottoms. All right, what you got for the shorts? For the pants? What you got for the tee? What's on? Okay. What you got for the polo? I see a polo wrap for the talk to me. Okay, and what you got for the top ski? I get it. It's okay. Bro, your fit's great, bro. Get in the fucking car, bro. Oh my.
Yo, I can't do this. Yo, this nigga.
Bro, that shit is crazy.
Yo. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, we talking in it, bit. Yeah, we rapping on a beat, and she playing with my feet. And I'm hanging with Jerry, me and Jerry in the back. We about to blow our back, and we talking to Matt, and then we got fucking Terry. I don't really know Terry, but I just met Terry. Terry seems pretty cool. We about to get drunk. Nah, I'm just playing chat. We just joking around.
Niggas in chat.
Yeah. I couldn't get a bill paid, you couldn't buy the real thing. I was staying up at your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things, almost gave up on the music thing. But we all so spoiled now, more everything. Like drunk text J-Lo, old number so it bounced back. Film rooms,
Got a double up, write my name on a double cup. We ain't even have a tour bus.
Girls wouldn't even think of recording me. I fall asleep in sorority. Weezy had.
When we get out,
But I know he a sissified looking nigga that put no talk about something, nigga.
Thank you, Lil Uzi Vert.
who said that shit?
I don't know.
I don't know who said that shit.
I don't know.
I don't know. From this shit when I came back, I do what I want, I do anything I please. I feel like bitch, I'm the crow. Whoa! I feel like bitch, I'm the crow. I feel like bitch, I'm the crow. I'm the crow.
We got to the low. I'm bad as about to try the Reaper flavor, no bullshit. But yeah, we're here with GB. You know what I'm saying? John, are you gonna try it?
Yeah, fuck it.
Are you gonna try it too?
Yep.
Oh, we all trying it?
We all trying it, goddamn.
Oh shit! Bro. You don't mind doing me a favor, John? You don't mind holding the fucking BL tote? What? The BL tote?
I'll hold it.
You wanna hold it?
Let me hold it.
Oh, you want?
Yo.
Look at that shit. Put that shit on. Oh, he's easy. Hold on. Hold on, bro. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do number 2, and then for one of them, can I get a Reaper?
Yeah.
I
just gotta tell you, Reaper's like
hot as shit. Yeah, I admit.
I gotta sign a waiver.
Do I really?
Yeah.
I gotta sign a waiver?
Yeah, it's not bad. I had it once.
For real? It was bad? Okay, I'm still gonna do number 2, 1 Reaper, then the other one I'm gonna do mild, just because I usually get hot, but damn, y'all gotta sign a waiver. Yo, you tried it before?
Yeah.
Is it like, did you die OD?
For like the next 30 minutes.
Damn. I'm like, bro, I'm shitting myself, bro. I'm not gonna hold you.
That's just bad. Take like a little bite.
John, this is bad, bro. I gotta dip it in sauce.
Bro.
Bro, this is bad. Wait, this is bad. 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 This is bad.
Oh, you're bugging. Oh, you're bugging.
Nah, that bitch hot. Nah, it's hot, bro. Nah, that bitch is hot. Mistakes were made. Yo, off one bite.
I'm not finishing that. Made. I took a little bite too.
You feel that shit in your ears, bro.
It hurts. It hurts. I can't even talk, bro.
That's ass.
I feel like I'm about to yak, bro. Like my stomach is rejecting whatever just went in, bro.
Bro, listen to this waiver, bro. Listen to this waiver. This is what you signed off, bro. You acknowledge that eating the Reaper can cause you harm, including but not limited to bodily injury, property damage, emotional distress, or even death.
Dead? I should have read it. Shit, that shit almost killed me. It said that. That shit almost killed me.
Can you get a thumbnail? Can you get a thumbnail?
Thumbnail. Bro, I had my one hand on my stomach, other on the soda. I could not hold that door open, bro.
If you really think Uzi's new album is anything more than a 4 out of 10, which is pushing it, I recommend the nearest psychiatric ward. This shit is not a whole lot of red. It will not grow on you unless you are a D1 dick rider or have never heard music before. If any logical rapper came out with this, y'all would be flaming them. But nah, it's Uzi, so you gotta like it.
Man's cap.
What the fuck are you talking about, bro?
Fuck it. Fuck it.
I'm calling his bitch ass right now, bro. I'm calling Dolly's bitch ass right now. This pussy's not gonna answer either. You're a pussy, bro. You're a pussy. Dolly, you're a pussy, Dolly. Dolly, you're a fucking pussy, Dolly. God, bro. Bro went on the internet just to hate. I fucking hate motherfuckers like that, bro. What the fuck are you talking about, bro? Stop. Stop. Like, bro, nobody asked for your opinion, buddy. Keep it to yourself, buddy, okay? Okay? Stop. Do you have ears? I don't think you have ears, buddy. Stop. 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 Album's a 7. It's. Bro, did you listen to the album, pussy?
There's like 6 out of 26 good songs. I'll go to 4 out of 10.
Yo, I had to tell you something though. I actually had to tell you something. Fuck that. Bro, what is he talking about? Play this shit, bro. Can this shit blast again, bro?
Just random cars. Just random cars. Random.